it's me, I'm back. Now today we're in a flight simulator. As you can see, I'm in a Cessna 172. I wanted to see what would happen if my engine failed while still in the sky, and you can see way above in the air. Now what would happen if my engine were to fail mid-flight? Now, I'm not an experienced pilot, so I know I'm new to this, so I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, so I probably will crash. But let's see what would happen. I think more experienced pilots will know what to do. So right now we're just in a nice altitude level right now, just over the ocean. I think it's the ocean. Now let's pause and go to modify flight. Let's scroll down here and let's click this to that. And now let's resume and see what happens. Okay, the engine's dying. Well, what you would probably do is probably look for the nearest airport. So we're probably gonna pull out the map right here and see where we are. We're right there over the ocean. We can try and make for that runway up there, so we can try and turn the plane, but I don't want to turn it that much because I lose a lot of altitude. But just carefully. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, the runway is far. Are we gonna make it? Okay, I don't think we're gonna make it. It is far. I'm not sure. Let me check the map before I land it. It looks like we're going in the right direction. There is another smaller runway, but I'm not really lined up for that. The throttle doesn't work. It's just great. We're just cruising here. Yeah. Slowly but surely, maybe we'll make it, but probably won't survive. Now, in case things go wrong, you can always, open the side door and jump out, but we're probably not going to do that right now, so we'll just close that road back up. We want it to stay closed. But if worst comes to worst, we might use that. So let me check the map again. Getting closer. I'm not sure we should use this smaller runway. I'm not sure, but I can't even see. Can I see? Where's the? Oh, I see it. I see the both runways. Yeah, I mean, no, we're not really lined up for the second runway. And also, the controls on this flight simulator is a little weird. Sometimes when you take off, I literally just fly off the runway, which is weird. So that's why that's why I started in the sky. Yeah. We're now above land, and oh my god, we lost so much altitude. Yeah, we're like a few miles in the sky, and now we're only a few hundred feet, which is kind of scary. I don't think you can make it. You can try and make it for the smaller one, but I'm not sure if I can make that either. I don't think you can. I don't think, we're slowing. We're slowing down. Oh no. Oh, I think this is it. Oh, okay. Yeah. By the looks of it, we're not making it anywhere. We could try. I don't think we can make it if we turn back and head for the water. I don't think we're gonna make it. No, we're not making it back to the water. I think this is it. Wow. I'm probably gonna crash into someone's house. Oh my god. And we seem to be rolling on the ground. Right, that's not really what's supposed to happen. Okay, we're back now. Let's try this again. Let's go back to here. Modify flight. Let's go here. Engine fail 1. There we go. Let's try this again. Okay. Let's see. Try and make it for that runway. Let's altitude. Not last time. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Let's see. Let's look for this this runway. Seems to be up ahead. Oh, I think I can see it. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna make it, but who knows? Let's go out here, way up here. Maybe we can make it. Oh, let's see. Can we make it? I don't know. I don't think we can. Just slowly sitting in the cabin. If this was me, I would probably be panicking because I'm not a pilot. I'm just a guy using a flight simulator. This was me in real life. I don't know what I would do. I would probably just pray to God or something. I don't know what I just pressed. And I'm not, oh no. And we're losing air because the propeller is slowing down. Yeah, if I was probably me, I would, 1, pray to God, 2, crash into water. I would probably crash into water because now the rotor is completely stopped. Yeah, I would not try for the runway. I would probably try for the ground or just the water because, I'm not a pilot. But I was just slowly gliding. It's not good. We're losing airspeed. I don't know. Oh my god. Yeah, this is, maybe if I lower the flaps, will that be better? Let's try and start it up again. It's stalling. Oh god. I mean, closer to ground. What if we just kept it like that? Maybe it's gonna give us a little bit of airspeed and just keep it like that. Maybe if we keep it like this, it'll give us airspeed. I don't think so. We're getting closer to the ground. Can you see it? No, we're still miles away from the runway. We're getting so close to the ground. I'd probably be freaking out. Actually, I'll probably be turning around and. We're losing. Okay, we're losing so much airspeed. Oh no. We're stalling. I'm jumping out. Oh no, I can't jump. Oh, okay. Well, this is why you should not do things that I do, because it could literally just explode into a ball of fire. Let's, third time? Is this the third time? I'm not sure. Oh, shoot. No. Oh, shoot. Okay, no. Okay, let's go over here. Let's go to that. And let's resume, hopefully. I think I pre-done this, so... Actually, yeah, I should be lined up for the runway, I'm not sure. Don't think I'm gonna make it. It's just I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm down there. I mean, maybe I can make it for that big runway down there. If it's turn, maybe. No, okay. We can try. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm definitely not a pilot right now. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Ever so slowly, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. Getting closer and closer. I mean, I could try and make it for the ocean if things go wrong. I could try to go for the ocean, you know. But if things, hopefully, we don't have to crash for like the third time. But yeah. Yeah, there we go. We're getting closer. Yeah, we're losing airspeed. Oh, that's not a good sign. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna make it. I think we have to make it for the ocean. But the question is, can we make it for the ocean? Because I'm not sure if we're gonna make it to the ocean. I don't know. I can see the airports, but I also can see the ocean. I think we have to go for the ocean. I don't think Cessnas were really built to land in oceans, but I mean, it's for emergencies. You have to do it. I'm not sure if this is working. This is not going. No, yes it is. Oh, it's stopping. Oh, that's just great. Yeah. We're not gonna make it. I think we're done. We can't do anything. We're done. Yeah. I can't make it over that wall. I think we just need to give up and just land on top of someone's roof. It's just splendid. Oh my god. Well, I mean, I don't know what to do now. We just don't repeat what I'm doing. Alright, maybe fourth time's the charm. I've pre-done this, so in case, coincidentally, if your engine fails, and you so happens to pass over one of these things I'm about to show you. Yeah, one of those is a lake. So in case that happens, you can always try and land in the lake right there. Try and blow the flaps. No, the flaps are not working. No, I don't know. Like I said, I don't think these things are built to land in water, but point this thing down. Oh god, the propeller's going fast, really fast. We're picking up so much speed. Okay, we need to land in this lake. Hopefully. Right, maybe. Here we go. No. Okay, we need to go down. This is gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's gonna be rough. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. Yeah, here we go. Oh, that was was rough. Well, water landings are supposed to be rough. Oh, here we go. We landed in the water. Oh, the texture on this simulator looks weird. It looks like I'm literally like parked on water, but we just pretend we're in water. So yeah, if I so happened to pass over a lake, I would probably go for a lake because this is probably how to survive the most, and also probably by now I would evacuate the plane and I'll probably open the door. Yeah, but other than that, I think we'll be hopefully in one piece and swimming to the shore, and not in a fireball like earlier. So yeah, and also. Well, that was when we finally landed in the water, and hopefully we won't drown in the water. Hopefully the plane doesn't collapse. But thanks for watching this video, and see you later.